In this example, we're going to take a look at 5c over 15 minus the quantity of 2 plus c over 25c. So the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to rewrite these denominators in factored form. So this 15, if you break this up, the prime factorization of 15 would just be 3 times 5. And your factorization of 25, prime factorization would be 5 times 5. So we have 5 times 5 times c. And up here we have 2 plus c. All right, so one thing I'm noticing here is that notice I have this 5 on the top and the bottom of this fraction. I can divide that out. 5 divided by 5 is just 1. So now over here on the left, I have c over 3. And you might be tempted to cancel out these c's, but although this c is a factor because this is all being multiplied together, this c is a term. I have 2 plus c here, so I cannot cross out or cancel out these c's. That will not work. So we're just going to rewrite this in the exact same way. All right, so let's get our common denominators. I have the factor of 3 down here. I don't have a factor of 3 over here, so let's multiply the top and the bottom by 3. Over here, I have this 5 times 5, or 25. I don't have anything with 5s over here, so let's just do the 5 times 5 together. Multiply the top and the bottom by 25. And over here on the left, I have a c. Over here, at least on the denominator, I do not have a c, so I'm going to multiply by c over c. So let's put all this together. 25 times c, that's 25c squared. 25 times 3 would be 75. So that's 75c. And over here, 5 times 5, 25 times 3 is 75 times c is 75c. I knew I was going to get that, but it doesn't hurt to do that math, make sure everything's going to work. And with this, we're going to distribute our 3. So 2 times 3 would be 6 plus 3c. Okay, I have common denominators. So now I can just subtract these fractions. My denominator is going to be 75c, and we're going to distribute this negative here. So I have 25c squared. I'm subtracting this grouping, so subtract the 6 and subtract the positive 3c. So I'll have minus 3c, and let's rearrange this so that it's in standard form. And looks like my final answer should be 25c squared minus 3c minus 6 all over 75c. One domain restriction, and that is that c cannot equal 0. And other than that, I should be good.